Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. My name is Khairunnisa Mohamad Amin. So for today's persuasive speech topic is global warming. There is little doubt that the planet is warming. Over the last century, the planet's temperature has risen by around 1.8 degree Fahrenheit. The warmest since the middle 1800s was the 1990s, and since then only 1998 has broken this record. The hottest years recorded were 1997, 1998, 2001, 2002, and 2003. In fact, 14 of the hottest years on record have been in the last 15 years. The United Nations Panel on Climate Change projects that the global temperature will rise 3 until 10 degrees Fahrenheit by the century's end, enough to have the polar caps all but melted. If the ice caps melt, a vast majority of our country's borders will be underwater. Monuments and great buildings, as well as homes and lives, will be underwater, including New York City. We know what some of the causes are for global warming. How can we, as individuals, do our part to help save the planet? The answer is simpler than you may think. We don't have to go miles away from home to protest or spend masses of money. If you try to follow the few simple that I shall now give you, you will have started to help us all. 3. This could be easier than it sounds. Join or help out a local wildlife group and ask to plant a tree. Trees, when fully grown, will help keep the planet cooler. When you are at home and you're getting a little cold, put a jumper on and do not adjust the heating. The extra heat produced by our homes and also affect the planet. So try wearing an extra layer in winter. Something as simple as walking instead of taking the car will help in reducing pollution. As well as stopping pollution, you are giving yourself exercise, something important for our body. So, the next time you get into your car or your motorbike, think, do I have to make this journey by vehicle or can I walk? If possible, buy your fruit and vegetables from local suppliers and try to avoid imported goods. The more foreign food that we import, the more pollution from aeroplanes and boats it will create. Keeping to the speed limit can also help the environment. The more you speed, the more petrol you are going to use, making the pollution higher. Also, SUVs make about 6 times their own weight in CO2 each year. A small, efficient diesel car covering the same distance not only uses much less fuel, it emits 2/3 less. Next, if possible, use solar energy. After all, it is free. All you need to is buy the equipment. You can get much of your hot water and heating from the sun and even the generate electricity. Then, reduce, reuse and recycle. Only buy what you need. Do not stock the cupboards with things you may or you may not use. Use whatever you can, like containers and paper. And recycle what you cannot use. It is really as simple as that. Finally, turning off unused sources of power, such as televisions and heaters, will help the environment as well as save your money. Everybody stuck to these rules, we would be doing a great thing by protecting the earth. So, please take into consideration what I have said and try to do your part. After all, it will be our next generation that will feel the effects. So that's all from me.